This is Captain Mike Adams, A-Bomb Charters, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Today we're striper fishing using a spoon. Let's drop it down and see what happens. Fishing about 35 feet of water, won't take too long to get to the bottom. Should be some stripers down there waiting for it. There it is. That quick. This one feels like a good one too. In the state of New Jersey this year, they have to be between 28 and 31 inches to keep. This one feels like a pretty good fish. We'll see how it looks when it comes up. Yeah, oh yeah, pretty good fish here. That quick on the spoon, guys. Today and recently, it's been awesome fishing in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Grab a group of guys, up to 4 people, come on out, catch a couple fish, bring one home for dinner. All right, it's getting close. It's a nice fish. Nice fish. There it is. New Jersey striped bass on a flutter spoon. Beautiful, baby. A-Bomb Charters, Captain Mike Adams, 609-722-2922. You can also book online at AtlanticCityFishingTrips.com. This fish is a little bit too big. We'll measure it, but we're going to release it anyway. This fish just barely is too big. It's about 32, 33 inches. Let's get her back. There it goes. That's it.